This video is all about repairing the screw pop, which is what you see here. The outline of the screw becomes visible in the drywall because the underlying wood frame has dried and created a kind of a looseness. You can see the head of the screw right here trying to poke through. It looks ugly, but it's really easy to fix. This is what the first stage of repair looks like. All of the loose material has been removed, exposing the head of the drywall screw. You need to clean out the middle so that you can tighten with a screwdriver about 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn to get that screw tight again. The next stage is filling. A drywall knife has been used to apply drywall compound in this direction. There's some ridges here. It doesn't have to be particularly neat. All that matters is that the drywall compound be higher than the surrounding surface of the wall and the screw head, like you see here. You give this about 12 to 24 hours to dry thoroughly, and then sanding. Sanding like this is done with a sanding sponge over the whole area of the repair. An abrasive sponge like this is much better than sandpaper on drywall. You want to sand in a circular motion. That's better than back and forth for something like this. And you want to keep on doing it until the center of the area is smooth and the edges are completely and seamlessly feathered into the wall around it, so there's no ridge. Then you're all set to clean and paint.